think everyone's pumped and ready.
I think everyone is ready, Danica, and I think we have to start this show. Can I see some audience right now?
Today, tonight, and tomorrow. Sunday's gonna be the hangover time, okay? So, enjoy!
My favorite things about working for Virtudesk is their support system. One might think that a strong support system would be quite impossible to have in a company that has all of its employees work remotely, but contrary to that belief, Virtudesk actually has a very systemized way of making sure that nobody gets left behind and that all of its VAs remain professional at what they do.
I love how we are valued as employees by giving us good benefits and compensation. They also give us incentives if we perform well. And I love how they always find their way to give us the time to relax by conducting fun and exciting activities. Through this, we are able to meet, interact, and have a personal connection with our co-VAs.
Aside for offering great opportunities and of course competitive compensation, one of my favorite things about working for Virtudesk is that they consider everyone as family. There is no judgment, and it feels great to work with people you consider as family, sharing the same values in life and work ethics. And that's magic to me.
Congratulations, everybody at Team Virtudesk for making it Fortune 5,000 for the second time in a row, guys. This is an amazing achievement for the company, for all of you, and you, each one of you, is actually responsible for that. You guys contributed, everybody.
We are Cluster West.
I love the people around, and we get to enjoy everything.
One of the favorite things I do working with Virtudesk is that I get work and life balance. It's actually important that I get to spend more time with my family, and I get to save in cost with travel expense and travel time.
All our VAs here in Virtudesk, I wish them all the best as well.
What I love about Virtudesk is that we have a bunch of supports here that's really approachable, and they make things easier and possible for us every day.
My favorite thing about working for Virtudesk is my ability to work from home permanently. Well, personally, for me, our job role as an executive virtual assistant has no limit. And I always tell this to my client, as long as I can do it remotely, I am more than happy to help.
One favorite thing about working for Virtudesk and my client is that I continuously learn from them. I started working for Virtudesk. I thought I would only be working on things that I'm already used to, such as sales calls and basic administrative tasks, and I was so wrong. I don't think that a week has passed that I have not learned a new set of skill, or at least have an opportunity to hone my skill, which I love. Keeps me on my toes and makes sure that I put my brain to use.
My favorite thing working here at Virtudesk is that even if we're hired by a client, our training does not end there. We have a strong support system, be it from our trainers, our coaches, and even from our colleagues. So basically, we help everyone out.
I love Virtudesk.
We made it again! Inc. 5000.
So proud.
Congrats, Virtudesk.
We made it again.
Rank 1044.
We made it!
We made the list.
We did it!
We made it to Inc. 5000 for the second year in a row. Go Virtudesk.